In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Chrome using the Pages sidebar. This is a simple process, but it helps to know exactly where to click so you can move through it quickly and avoid making changes to the wrong page. If you're creating a variation of an existing page, backing up a layout before editing it, or saving time by reusing a structure you already built, duplicating a page can be a very useful option. To begin, open the Pages sidebar inside Chrome. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or editor view where your list of pages is visible. This sidebar is where you'll find all the available page entries, so take a moment to locate the specific page you want to copy before moving on. Once you've found the page you want to duplicate, hover your mouse over that page's row item. As you hover, additional controls should appear for that page. Look for the gear shape settings icon, then click it to open the page settings. This area contains the configuration and structural options tied to that page. After the settings panel opens, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the structural option fields page. It's important to go to the absolute bottom, since the duplication option is located there and can be easy to miss if you stop scrolling too early. If the panel contains a lot of settings, move steadily and make sure you've reached the end before continuing. At the bottom, click Duplicate Page. This tells the system you want to create a copy of the current page using the same base structure and settings. It's a good idea at this stage to pause for a second and confirm that you selected the correct original page, especially if several pages have similar names. After clicking Duplicate Page, a confirmation prompt will appear on screen. This validation pop-up is there to prevent accidental duplication, so simply review the request and confirm it to proceed. Once you accept the prompt, the system will create the duplicate page. That's it. You've successfully duplicated your page. After the copy is created, you may want to check the Pages sidebar again to verify that the new version appears as expected. This is a quick but helpful final check to make sure the duplication completed properly and that you're ready for the next edit or update.